Description: mild, color, safe surfactants gently cleanse and repair damaged strands, enhancing hair's look and feel. Benefits: color protection. Suggested use: massage into wet hair. Rinse. Repeat as needed. Follow with super strong conditioner. How to strengthen weak, fragile locks. Keep your hair healthy, strong and protected from everyday damage with hair care products that strengthen and rebuild damaged hair from within. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Shampoo. 1. Gently cleanse and repair damaged strands with this mild, color-safe shampoo. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Conditioner. 2. Follow with this daily conditioner for added strength and manageability. Paul Mitchell Super Strong Liquid Treatment. 3. Spray on damp hair to help replace minerals and proteins to rebuild and strengthen strands. Top reviews from the United States. Love this product. My hair was like straw, now it's soft. I have been using this for about 2 weeks now and there was a difference even after the first wash.